Yeah, boy. One time. Lord of mercy.
Nasi bombedu, yellow Safa na. Let the company na to Rafa. Can you be my PS2? You know na.
What's PS2?
As in for us to be, you know, kinda on na. Ebakazi Rafa na. Stop pretending as if you don't know what I'm talking about. They were no.
I don't understand. Can you just take a look at yourself? Look at how you are dressed. Look at your shoes. And you are taking me. Can you take care of me? Don't you dare try it again in this life. If you see me walking on the road, you stop me talking nonsense. What's PO2? Don't do that.
Come now. Now,
Tiger. Start up.
This man, you again. What are you looking for?
my 5K, my 5,000 naira just fell down.
Are you sure it's here that
It's here. I've been looking for it.
I want to help you and look for it. How much will you give me?
I will give you 2K.
2K. 2K is poor.
Collect 2K. Collect 2K.
Yeah. Okay. Have you seen it?
Yes.
Wow, let me see now. Let me see now. Give me my share.
Chai.
So it's granite that we have been looking for here.
Yes.
Jesus, are you serious? You made me enter inside the bush because of granite.
No, you know you bullshit me the other day. 2K kill you there. Nah, the book was not 2,000.
This man is mean.
Please visit my YouTube channel at White Vision TV and subscribe. Then on your notification bell for more updates. Thank you so much. You go there, you see most of my videos. Thank you so much for supporting me. Bye bye.